The railway leaves the Columbia River a short distance beyond Beavermouth and commences to ascend up the Beaver River Valley to Rogers Pass. For a distance of about 3.5 miles, the railway climbs a grade of 1.5%, or 75 feet to the mile, through a narrow gorge known as Beaver Canyon. It crosses the Beaver River on a Howe Truss Bridge, and then traverses a short, comparatively level distance to 6 Mile Siding at 6 Mile Creek. 6 Mile is the first of several stops required for water and wood or coal. Wood was provided for the 260 locomotives, and coal for the more powerful 280 locomotives later used on the steep grades. The valley opens up, and the river winds its way through a dense forest of spruce, broken by golden patches of marshland and shining ponds half hidden by the trees. On a clear day, the valley of the Beaver River can be seen for miles, with giant peaks on either side. To the east is the Selkirk Mountain Range, and to the west the Selkirk Mountain Range. From 6 Mile Siding until the summit of Rogers Pass, 20 miles further on, is almost a continuous grade of 2.2%. The line can be seen far in advance as a long side hill cut, gradually climbing the valley. A.O. Wheeler, when carrying out surveys of the valley and surrounding mountains in 1905-1906, observed from a vantage point in the Purcell Mountains on the east side of the valley as many as 20 bridges and trestles crossing the ravines and turbulent streams flowing out of the Selkirk Mountains. 3 trestles were particularly impressive structures: Mountain Creek Trestle, Surprise Creek Trestle, and Stony Creek Trestle.